Are you looking for probably the best thing that you can do naturally to help improve your gut health, to get you feeling better, and most importantly is free? In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how exercise can revamp and totally change your gut microbiome. I'm going to tell you exactly how it can transform your gut microbiome and why your daily sweat sessions could be the best thing for your gut. Guys, let's talk about this. Howdy, I'm Dr. Islam. I am a board certified gastroenterologist trained at the Mayo Clinic of over 10 years of treating thousands of patients with all GI issues to get down to the root cause of why they're having their gut problems. If you're having gut issues and you want a partner in your journey, consider making your first appointment at loveagastro.com to get you feeling better. Here are 5 things I want you to know about how exercise can change your gut microbiome. Number 1, by physically just doing exercise, you will increase the diversity of your gut by up to 20%. The biggest thing I tell my patients, and the biggest goal we want to have when it comes to your gut microbiome, is that we want to do what we can to improve the diversity of your GI tract. That predicts how well you're going to poop, how well you're going to feel, but also how good your gut microbiome is going to be as well. And so we do all that we can to improve diversity. And exercise alone, just doing that alone, can change the makeup of your gut. It'll give you more bacteria. It'll give you different bacteria. It'll give you the whole range of bacteria that you need to get you feeling better. And by doing that, you can decrease inflammation, keep your immunity stronger, but also digest better as well. So if you're having issues like bloating, distension, diarrhea, constipation, exercise itself can actually change the microbiome makeup, which can help improve your symptoms as well. Number 2, exercise also can give you more what's called butyrate, which is a short-chain fatty acid. When you read all the GI literature when it comes to the gut microbiome, gut dysbiosis, leaky gut, and everything like that, it comes down to how much short-chain fatty acids or things like butyrate are in your gut and in your body, because this can predict whether you have a chance of developing leaky gut or gut dysbiosis. The less amount of butyrate that you have, the less amount of short-chain fatty acid you have, the more likely it's going to be that your gut microbiome is not diverse, it has a lot of bad bacteria, it can lead to leaky gut, and it can also lead to gut dysbiosis as well. And so we use this as a measure to see exactly how healthy your gut microbiome is. And exercise alone can actually increase the amount of butyrate inside your body, which we know is an indirect marker of how healthy your gut is. Butyrate is literally the super fuel that helps to soothe the lining of your gut and keep that lining healthy and strong so it can fight off all the defenders that are trying to invade the gut microbiome to make your symptoms worse. Number 3, have you ever noticed you feel less stress after you work out? That is because you increase your endorphins, but also decrease your cortisol levels as well. We're seeing how cortisol levels can not only affect your mood, how you feel, how stressed you are, but also it can affect how you digest, how the defenses are in your lining of your GI tract, but also can affect the gut-brain axis. And the more that we can decrease our cortisol levels, the better it's gonna be for overall health, but also to help out with your GI issues. There's a real connection between the brain and the gut. It's called the brain-gut axis. So what happens up here will manifest in your stomach. What happens in your stomach will manifest in here. And it's that superhighway connects the 2 nervous systems. And the more stressed that you are, the more cortisol you have, absolutely, you can have worsening GI issues. And so doing what you can to change that cortisol level is to make it easier for your gut. And exercise is a simple, effective, and free way to decrease those cortisol levels, which will affect the brain-gut axis, but also make you feel good and can minimize the complications that can occur from long-term stress. In fact, there are studies out there that have compared exercise to treat depression and anxiety when you compare that to actual pharmacological therapy, and the benefits are pretty much the same without any of the side effects that may occur with medical therapy. So try to incorporate exercise every single day to get you feeling better. Number 4, if you're going to exercise, you may want to incorporate HIIT workouts. HIIT workouts have been shown to actually increase the motility of your gut. This means that food can move through quicker, faster, and more efficiently. But the other great thing about HIIT workouts is that you get that high intensity workout in a short amount of time. So it doesn't take up a whole hour to an hour and a half whenever you're exercising. Sometimes when I'm in a pinch and I can't exercise the way I want to, I will do a quick HIIT workout to get me the workout that I need. Or if I'm feeling, I'm tired, I'm angry, I'm just like, I'm irritated about the world, I will do a quick HIIT workout And it's remarkable how much better I feel and how much less stress I have. Then number 5, exercise can also improve the gut barrier. Now I mentioned this earlier, but there's specific studies showing that the more exercise you can incorporate and the more consistent exercise you can do, the better it's going to be to help out with the lining of that gut. And it's that lining that actually helps protect you from what is going on in your body. That lining, normally our gut has a tight junction that's there that prevents things from passing through. When you have inflammation, when you eat bad food, when you have a lot of stress, when you have a poor gut microbiome, that lining opens up and opens up and opens up. And that's what directly leads to leaky gut and gut dysbiosis. And by physically exercising, you're actually able to keep that lining tight. And by doing that, you decrease the risk of bad bacteria going to your immunity. You decrease the risk of inflammation going into your gut. It actually improve your gut microbiome, but also build up the strength that you need to get you feeling better. And we're seeing a lot more studies suggesting that if you have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, GERD, heartburn, the root reason why that's the case is the lining going on inside your stomach is impaired. And doing what you can to keep that lining tight, keep it together, can hopefully allow you to get your gut issues taken care of. So if you're looking for probably the best and easy thing you can do to improve your gut health, do something as simple as exercise every single day. It'll make wonders for your health. It'll make wonders for your gut, but also allow you to improve your gut from the inside out. Well, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe, and consider seeing us at Digestion for all your GI needs.